Over the past 26 years, Dorothy R. Crimp has shown incredible determination in a field dominated by men. 7 years ago, she founded Morami Proprietary Limited, a mining and metals consultancy that plans and executes gold mining operations. Serving as a senior project manager and owner, she sets up large-scale infrastructure for mines on a contract basis nationally and internationally. A certified public accountant, Ms. Crimp is skilled in human resources management and is an expert consultant for large-scale mining construction projects. She earned an MBA in Human Resource Management and International Business from the University of New England. She is a member of World Vision Incorporated and Women for Women International, an organization empowering women since 1993. Ms. Crimp attributes her success to her perseverance and hard work, and looking ahead, she would like to mentor and sit on several boards. She is also looking to focus more on expert consultation and board appointments within the mining construction field. For more information about Dorothy R. Crimp, visit http://www.crimp.com.